This is how you bring a 3,000-liter Haase heat accumulator into the basement. Small through the door, big in the basement. Haase storage tanks are delivered in individual parts. If necessary, the lid and base can also be divided so that the storage tank fits through any door.
Das kommt jetzt alles auf die Tonspur, das wollte ich dir bloß sagen.
The coat is rolled up like a carpet, and thanks to the GFK material it is very light and flexible. The type and number of heat exchangers are configured according to the heating system. It can also be equipped with a layered charging system or flanges. The available space can be optimally used for installing the storage tank. Different heights and diameters enable numerous storage types. Between 1,100 liters and 100,000 liters, almost everything is possible.